JCI, Junior Chamber International. In that, we are in past 3 years we are doing so many community development projects. We had built 3,000 toilets for the government schools, and more than 1,000 sanitary napkin machine, destroyer machine we have installed. And this year, 2017, we had come out with a wonderful community project called Sujal, that is pure. That means providing a purified water to all the government school students through the JCA members. We are going to install this year. Our target is installing 2,000 water purifying plant with a 50-liter capacity per hour, 50-liter capacity to all the government school. And this is a big project that JCA had taken in the hand of 2017, and I request all of your support.
JCI India Zone 11 is an organization for the youth, and for the youth who is in the age group of 18 to 40. It's an organization that gives platform to the youth to perform in various areas of opportunity. What we feel, what JCI is an only organization that first focuses on self-development, because we believe if we develop ourselves, only then we can develop the society. The other platform is developing the society, so doing something for the society, for the entire of Goa, and we have parts of Maharashtra also with us in Zone 11. So this year also we are having fantastic programs lined up in the training area. Tomorrow itself we are having a program called as Alpha, wherein 3 excellent trainers from Goa and Pune is coming, one from Pune, JC Praveen Sabnis, JC Sonia Shirsat and JC Mohan Sate. These all 3 people are going to talk about different topics. One will speak on audition for leadership, Sonia will speak about going above and beyond, and Mohan will speak about the millionaire mindset. It's happening tomorrow at Menezes Braganza Hall at 9:30 AM. Request you all to come and attend it. Regarding the World Congress, we are going to have a World Congress that will be hosted in India, and in India it's going to happen in our Goa. So I'm extremely happy to be appointed as a World Congress Director, and let me tell you, it's going to be a huge boost to our Goan economy.